How to redeem $19 Fortnite card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem $19 Fortnite card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Redeeming V-Bucks will only work on the actual website. Players cannot redeem the V-Bucks gift card on consoles or apps directly. Now, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for fortnite.com/vbuckscard. Now, players need to log onto their Epic Games account to redeem their V-Bucks. If players want V-Bucks on non-PC devices, they need to link their account with their Epic Games account. So, once signed in, players need to click on the Get Started button and they will be presented with a screen to input the code. The code is in the back of the V-Bucks card. Just scratch off the rough strip or panel carefully and type the code that is revealed. If done correctly, there will be a check mark that appears. Next, the player will be asked where the V-Bucks should go. It is not as simple as stating where it needs to go. Epic Games may give a code based on the console or gaming system chosen. So, this is how you can redeem $19 Fortnite card. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.